Hi everyone, it's Alina. Today we're going to talk about one particular organ that doesn't always get the attention it deserves, our kidneys. These bean-shaped powerhouses filter waste, regulate blood pressure, and keep our bodies in tip-top shape. Many of us have habits that can harm these vital organs without even realizing it. In this video, we're diving into 10 common daily habits that can negatively impact our kidney health. Let's get started. Let's talk about salt. We all love a sprinkle of it, but too much salt can strain our kidneys. When we eat salty foods, our bodies retain water to dilute the sodium. This increases fluid in our bloodstream and puts extra pressure on our kidneys. Over time, this can lead to high blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease. Reducing salt intake is a simple change we can make. Cook more meals at home using fresh ingredients and go easy on the salt shaker. Your kidneys will thank you. Water is the elixir of life, especially for our kidneys. When we don't drink enough water, our kidneys work harder to filter waste, leading to dehydration and kidney stones. Aim for 8 glasses a day, but listen to your body and drink when you're thirsty. We've all been there. A pounding headache or an achy back can ruin your day. Overusing painkillers like NSAIDs can damage your kidneys by reducing blood flow to them. Talk to your doctor about alternative pain management options. Less is often more. Chapter 4. High sugar consumption. Too much sugar can lead to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease, all major risk factors for kidney disease. Cutting back on sugar is a delicious way to protect your kidneys. Swap sugary drinks for water or unsweetened tea, and choose fruits over sugary snacks. Your kidneys will thank you. Chapter 5. Smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels, including those in the kidneys, reducing blood flow and preventing them from functioning properly. If you're a smoker, quitting is one of the best things you can do for your overall health, including your kidney health. There are many resources available to help you quit, so take that first step towards a healthier you. Chapter 6. Excessive alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can take a toll on our kidneys by causing dehydration. This dehydration strains our kidneys, making it harder for them to filter waste. Moderation is key. If you drink alcohol, do so responsibly and stay hydrated. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in a sedentary lifestyle. Lack of physical activity can lead to obesity, high blood pressure, and diabetes, all of which increase the risk of kidney disease. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Chapter 8. Ignoring infections. Ignoring infections, especially urinary tract infections, can have serious consequences for our kidneys. See a doctor if you have any signs of an infection, such as pain during urination, frequent urination, or blood in your urine. Chapter 9. High-protein diet. Consuming too much protein can strain our kidneys by overloading them with waste products. Make sure you're getting enough protein for your individual needs, but don't overdo it. Chapter 10. Holding in urine. Holding in urine for long periods can harm your kidneys by creating pressure in the bladder. This can lead to urinary tract infections, kidney stones, and even kidney damage. Listen to your body and don't hold it in. Protect your precious kidneys. So there you have it. 10 common habits that can harm your kidneys. By making a few simple changes to our daily routines, we can keep our kidneys functioning at their best. What are your thoughts on these kidney-harming habits? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Take care and stay healthy.